Hello everyone. Today we got an update on Image Picker. Image Picker is a plugin provided by Flutter. It is an official plugin right now. Today we are going to see how we can install the updated plugin in our application. First we will add Image Picker in our PubSpec.yml. Then we will update our project by doing flutter pub get. It will take few seconds to update our project and download the plugin from internet. After having it, let's create a new project. We will write void main run app, and then we will pass material app to that. In material app we will write a title, and then we will specify a home. Let's see, the title is Image Picker, and the home will be our new stateful widget, and that is Image Picker example. Now we will add that Image Picker in our home. We'll try to format our document. Okay, now we will add a scaffold. Using scaffold we will add a app bar to the top of, and we will write its title as picking image. After that we will add a body. Body is nothing right now. Let's add a floating action button. Floating action button will have one icon and one function. So let's keep the function blank right now and add an icon that is into child. So icons dot, not that, we will add picture, add a photo. Yeah. After that let's work on actual things. So we will have a object of file that is coming from our dart.io. After this we are going to add a function void pick image. Remember, it will be a synchronous function. Let's first write some comment like pick image. It will help us to remember what actually we are doing, and this would be for our reference. Also we will make our pick image as asynchronous, because the pick file will take some time, and we have to await for it. Okay, now we have picked file as a new object which is coming directly from our new package, or I'll say the update from the image picker, and we have to use this. The old ones are now deprecated. You will get an link how to use the old one also. I'll give that into description. So now we will use image picker, a class. Okay, we have to create this object because it is not a static right now. Okay, to call this we have to make the object. Now the pic image looks like this, the file look like this. Okay, we have a path through which we have to actually work around all those things. Now we will update our image file that we have created using our new pic file image. So for that we have to use pic_file.path, and after that we will do a set state to update our file and let our file to say update the state. Now actually we have to write something into our info.plist list in iOS so that the image picker will work, and we will pick that from my old article on the Medium. Okay, so copy these things, and we will directly put that into our info.plist list. Okay, we will add that on the top. Yeah, adding some tabs so that it could look some of the good. Okay, now that we have added, let's update our body. So now we will actually write image.file, and we will pass our the file we have created, and let's see what is that. That is image file. So we will write image file into that. Basically we are picking up image and showing by using image.file. Okay, so now let's use a ternary operator to actually work around on the null safety. So now if image file is null, then we will show some text like select an image from by clicking floating action button that is showing add photo, something like that. Okay, and if our image picker or picked image is not null, then we will show our image dot file, means image from the file. Okay, I think we are done. Let's try something else. Yeah, so we have to call our pick image here. Okay, we will remove the brackets because we are actually calling a function on a function. Okay, let's format the document and try to run our application by doing flutter run. We are going to use a simulator, inbuilt simulator in the macros. Okay, we got an error. That is okay, we didn't added a semicolon in the end of image picker. Let's add that. Perfect. So let's put an semicolon here. Let's check if there is some error in the whole file or not. No, I think we are good to go. So let's try again. By doing so, we will run flutter run. Okay, yeah, it will take some time. So launching lib flash main.dart on iPhone 11 Pro in debug mode. Okay, running Xcode build. iOS uses Xcode to build its application, and Flutter by default uses the platforms, all these things. If you're not followed on me on the Twitter, you can find me VivekY259259. The same goes for GitHub and Medium. You can find me by VivekY259259 on every platform. Okay. Okay, our Xcode build has been done. Let's try out things by running our application. We will click on our icon. Now we have given the permission. Let's select an image from gallery. After selecting, it will be displayed in our application. That's it. So this was an implementation of new image picker. Yeah, thank you.